Okay, so now we've styled our navigation for device. We have this login and sign up links. We have nicely styled views for login, sign up, forgot password. And actually, what if we go and type forgot password? We'll put in some kind of random email. And you see the email was not found. So there is no account associated with this email. But if we do the same with an email that is registered in the application, you see, we get this, you will receive an email with instructions on how to reset your password. And how do we get this email? Well, in our development environment, the easiest way is to just see it in our logs. So here you see, we've made the commit, and here is the contents of the email. So device mailer, reset password instructions, the date, then from please change me at config initializes device at example.com. Okay, we can change this from address. So we can go to config. Here we'll go to initializers and find device RB. And here we can say change this mailer sender. So we will, let's say, name it Ruby Gems Bootcamp, or let's just say hello at Corsigo, that's my website.com. So the next email will be sent from hello@corsigo.com. That will be visible in the sender address. And you see this way you can configure any possible email address as a sender, but of course, in some cases, it can be sent into spam folder because it isn't authenticated. So reply to, please change me at config initializes. Well, okay, then to whom did we send it? To the email that we are trying to recover, subject reset password instructions, and here we get this line. You can change the password by going to the link below. And here you see we've got this address that we configured in our development.rb. So the email was sent to this URL that we sent in the action mailer default URL options. And we get this user's password edit, and we have this reset password token. So this unique reset password token, this one, lets us reset the password of a user. And if it is leaked, then somebody can hijack somebody else's account. So this is kind of secure information. So if we open this link, you see we can change the password for that user. So I will put in a password. Okay. And you see the password has been changed successfully. We are signed in. So this way we can recover our passwords in development. Now let's go back to our user.rb. Let's go to our models app, models user.rb. And so here are our default device settings. And we're going to add some new device options. We're going to add confirmable, we're going to add lockable, we can add trackable and omni-authable. So confirmable would mean that a user needs to confirm his account, so that if somebody registers from somebody else's email or a fake email, he won't be able to access the application until he confirms his email. For example, I sign in with a random email like this, and I will not be able to access the application until I confirm my email address. So for this, we're going to add device confirmable. So I'm going to add this confirmable setting to user.rb like this. First, we add confirmable here. Now let's go to the device documentation. Let's find confirmable. And here we can see the docs for confirmable. Now, actually, we'll go back and we'll go to the device wiki. And here there should be something like add confirmable. I'll find confirmable. Okay, there are 125 pages. how to add confirmable to users. So let's open this particular article. And what do we need? We need to add in user RB registerable and confirmable. We have registerable by default, and we've just added confirmable. Next, we are going to add this migration, Rails generate migration, add confirmable to device. Okay, I'm switching the server off, Control C, Control L. Okay, it's something different. I need to copy it once again. Add confirmable to device. And we've created a new migration. But this migration is empty. So we need to put this contents inside. Okay, so to our users table, we are adding the confirmation token, the moment when the user was confirmed as a date time, the moment when the confirmation message was sent, and the confirmation token. And we are going to update all the users that already exist in the application as confirmed. So by adding this particular command, you set all the existing users as already confirmed in the application. You can omit this command if you like. Okay, so let's run Rails db migrate. And let's go back. Okay, so next we can change our settings in device. Let's have a look at our application. Let's start Rails server. And let's sign up as a new user. Okay. And we get undefined local variable unconfirmed email. What can this be? Now, let's see. Undefined local variable unconfirmed email. And here in this migration, we have this optional unconfirmed email. So if we go into device RB settings and look for reconfirmable, we get this message. So by default, we have reconfirmable set to true. So if we use confirmable and reconfirmable, then we need to add this column unconfirmed email. So let's add it in our migration. Actually, first we will run Rails db rollback to revert the migration. And we will add this column once again. Okay, and we're going to run the migrations again. Otherwise, you could just set reconfirmable to false if you like. But I want to keep reconfirmable, so we are going to run the migration now, Rails db migrate. And let's try to start the server. So I was creating a new user. Okay, I'll try once again. Okay, so I created a new user and I get this, you need to sign in before continuing. Okay, let's try to sign in. And you see, you have to confirm your email address before continuing. So by default, we cannot continue, we cannot open the application until we confirmed our email address. Now, what if we want to allow users to access the application, for example, for 2 minutes before confirming their email? We'll go back to device settings. And here we have the settings for confirmable. Let's find it here. Here are all the configurations for confirmable. So the first one we see, by default, it is 0 days, meaning the user cannot access the website without confirming their account. And we can allow the unconfirmed access, let's say for 2 minutes. Okay, let's try logging in. Let's say 10 minutes. And yes, I need to restart the server for the changes in an initializer to take place. Okay, I'll try to log in, and you see I managed to log in, but I'll not be able to keep using this account in a few minutes until I confirm it. Now let's see what other confirmable settings there are. So confirm within 3 days, meaning there are maximum 3 days to confirm. So imagine you can access the application for 10 minutes before confirming. And if you don't confirm, then the confirmation token will expire in 3 days, or it will not expire at all. So by default, it is nil, meaning there are no restrictions. So the user can confirm his account anytime. And that's basically good. Now, what is reconfirmable? Let's imagine I logged in with an email. I'll log in with, I'll sign up with my real email. No, not this one. Okay, I sign up. Now, this email was previously signed in, and I want to change my email. So what if I want to change my email? What should I do? I go to edit user, I have my email, I have password. So what if I try to change my email? I'll make it changed at email.com and update. Now current password cannot be blank, so I put in the current password, and you updated your account successfully, but we need to verify your new email address. So I try to change my email address. You see, I'm still logged in with the old email address, and I get this welcome changed email.com, confirm your change. So I open this link, and you see, I'm logged in as the new email. If I refresh the previous link, I'm logged in with the new email. So this way, using reconfirmable, I can change my email and confirm my new email. And these are the basically main points of using confirmable in an application. Now, I'm going to comment this line out because we are not going to allow any unconfirmed access to the application. Otherwise, you'll be really getting a lot of really spammy emails, and you don't need that. You want only real people with real emails using your application. So we are going to use confirmable, but we are not going to let any people who did not confirm their email access the application. And once again, here's the workflow. I press sign up, I put in some kind of email, press sign up, welcome, you have signed up successfully. Okay, I did not restart the server. So I restart the server for the changes in device RB to take place. And I sign up. Okay, and I get this, you need to sign in or sign up before continuing once again. So I put in the email and password, and you get this. You have to confirm your email address before continuing. So let's say I want to confirm, then receive confirmation instructions. I will send them once again. I'll go to the logs, confirm my account, and it was confirmed. Now I can log in. So success. And that's basically it for this lecture.